Welcome back to carLoomX, where passion meets performance and the future of automobiles comes alive. Today is a special day for every supercar enthusiast around the world, because Lamborghini has officially unveiled the new next-generation 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto, a machine that doesn't just replace a legend, it rewrites the rulebook of what a modern supercar should be. The moment you look at the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto, you realize this is not just an evolution, it is a revolution. Lamborghini has taken everything it learned from decades of V12 heritage and fused it with cutting-edge hybrid technology. The result is a car that respects its past while charging aggressively into the future. The design alone tells a powerful story. Sharp lines, aggressive angles, and an unmistakable Lamborghini stance make the Revuelto look like it's carved out of pure speed. The Y-shaped LED headlights instantly grab attention, giving the front end a futuristic yet menacing expression. Every panel, every crease, every vent is engineered not just for beauty, but for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Under the skin, the Revuelto represents Lamborghini's boldest engineering move yet. For the first time in a production Lamborghini V12 Supercar, we see a fully integrated high-performance hybrid system. At the heart of this beast is a newly developed naturally aspirated V12 engine, mounted longitudinally, working in perfect harmony with electric motors. This combination delivers an astonishing level of power that pushes the Revuelto into a completely new performance category. The instant torque from the electric motors fills every gap in acceleration, while the screaming V12 keeps the emotional soul of Lamborghini alive. Acceleration is brutal, immediate, and relentless. From a standstill, the Revuelto launches forward with explosive force, pinning you to the seat as the powertrain unleashes its full potential. Lamborghini has engineered this car to respond instantly to driver input, making every press of the throttle feel like a direct connection between human and machine. The sound is equally dramatic. While the electric assistance adds smoothness and efficiency, the V12 still delivers that raw, spine-tingling roar that Lamborghini fans crave. The 2027 Revuelto is built on an all-new carbon fiber monocoque chassis, lighter and stronger than ever before. This advanced structure improves rigidity while reducing weight, allowing the car to handle with extreme precision. Lamborghini has also focused heavily on weight distribution, ensuring perfect balance for both high-speed stability and sharp cornering. Whether you're attacking a racetrack or carving through mountain roads, the Revuelto feels planted, confident, and alive. Aerodynamics play a huge role in the Revuelto's performance. Lamborghini has carefully sculpted the body to manage airflow in the most efficient way possible. Active aerodynamic elements adjust automatically based on speed and driving conditions, increasing downforce when needed and reducing drag for maximum straight-line performance. Large rear diffusers, functional air intakes, and an aggressive rear wing work together to keep the car glued to the road at high speeds. Step inside the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto, and you enter a cockpit that feels like a fighter jet designed for the road. The interior combines luxury, technology, and driver-focused ergonomics in a way only Lamborghini can achieve. High-quality materials such as carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather surround you, creating an environment that feels both futuristic and luxurious. Every control is positioned to enhance the driving experience, keeping the driver fully engaged at all times. The digital interface is a major highlight. The Revuelto features multiple, high-resolution displays, including a fully digital driver cluster and a central touchscreen that controls navigation, vehicle settings, and performance data. Lamborghini has also introduced an advanced passenger display, allowing the co-driver to monitor speed, G-forces, and other exciting real-time information. This creates a shared experience that makes every drive feel special, whether you're behind the wheel or riding shotgun. Despite its extreme performance, Lamborghini has made the Revuelto surprisingly usable for everyday driving. The hybrid system allows for short-distance electric-only driving, making it quieter and more efficient in urban environments. This is a big step forward for Lamborghini, showing that even the most outrageous supercars can adapt to modern demands without losing their identity. Different driving modes let you tailor the car's behavior, from calm and composed to absolutely ferocious. On the road, the Revuelto delivers a driving experience that feels both refined and savage. The steering is precise and communicative, giving the driver complete confidence at any speed. Advanced suspension systems adapt in real time, providing comfort when cruising and stiffness when pushing hard. Braking performance is equally impressive, with massive carbon ceramic brakes delivering incredible stopping power and consistency even under extreme conditions. What truly sets the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto apart is how it blends emotion with innovation. This car is not just about numbers, although the numbers are incredible. It's about how it makes you feel. The thrill of acceleration, the sound of the V12, the instant response, and the sense of control all come together to create an unforgettable driving experience. Lamborghini has proven that electrification does not have to mean compromise. Instead, it can enhance performance, efficiency, and excitement all at once. From a design perspective, the Revuelto is a clear statement of Lamborghini's future direction. It looks aggressive, bold, and unmistakably modern, yet it still carries the DNA of classic Lamborghini supercars. The scissor doors, the low-slung profile, and the dramatic proportions remind us that this is a brand built on passion and daring creativity. As we look toward the future of supercars, the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto stands as a powerful symbol of what's possible. It shows that innovation and tradition can coexist, that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand, and that the soul of a supercar can survive even in a rapidly changing automotive world. Lamborghini hasn't just built a new car, they've built a bridge between eras. For enthusiasts, collectors, and dreamers alike, the Revuelto is more than just a machine. It's a vision of the future, wrapped in carbon fiber and powered by both electricity and pure adrenaline. It reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place, and why Lamborghini continues to be one of the most exciting brands on the planet. This is the 2027 Lamborghini Revuelto, a supercar that dares to redefine expectations and proves that the future of performance is brighter, faster, and more thrilling than ever before. Stay tuned to carLoomX for more exclusive supercar stories, deep dives, and the latest automotive revelations from around the world.